Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my channel, and today I would like to look at the current Bitcoin chart and what we can expect next, what are our next levels, what we will be looking at, and yeah, how we can trade it. So first of all, I would start at the daily chart, maybe even 4-hour chart, where we will look at the current range. Okay, so we'll look at the range. Okay, so you can see where is it taken from. So this whole range, this upper deviation, lower deviation, and where we are currently right now. So if we update it, we can see where we still are. Okay, so at this point, what happened? So we just simply went, we were ranging here, then we had this deviation down here, and then we just went through up. All right, and currently we are fighting with this value area high, so we are trying to get out from here, but the chart doesn't do a really good job. And also when we look at the volume that we have up here, so we can see that we really had increased volume when we were getting into the range. All right, we had good volume all the way up here. We had the biggest volume, and now on these next two attempts, the volume wasn't that big. You can see that it was lower here, not really anything that special. So that's the one thing I would be looking at. And also if we will compare it with these highs, so where are we? All right, here we were here, so it's kind of the same as it is here. Well, we can actually even do this. Look, okay, so we had the same volume here. We had a little higher, then we didn't have volume a bit here, and then we just moved down. See, we didn't have the volume to move higher. At this point, we don't really have that volume either yet. Okay, yet the volume is not there, and if we won't see it, we will probably just dump down. All right, but it can change. We cannot say yet, because yeah, it's too early, because at the end of the day, when we look at the market structure, we still didn't lose the market structure, right? We are still moving higher highs, higher lows. One thing we can look at up here is this triangle. All right, I wouldn't really trade off of the triangle, but at least we can see the main support and resistance. All right, so at this point, it's hard to say what we'll see, you know, but we can make sure that we are watching these lows where we have the liquidity, so we can definitely see some move down, fake out of the triangle, taking the liquidity and following upwards. Yeah, it can definitely happen, and it would be the same thing to the upside. We can see another move, taking the liquidity above these highs and then continue down. All right, so far we are in this triangle. We can even look at it as we know that we have the bigger channel. Another thing we can look at, this current channel. So what are we seeing here? This is probably the best way to look at it. All right, okay, we know that we have the value area high, but it's more for the higher time frame. All right, I would be taking big, well, we can see that it provided really good support here, here, resistance, support. I mean, it is important level, right? and we can actually see that the point of control is there. So we saw many transactions there, but I would be looking at it at the higher time frame. All right, so in case of like big dump and then the attempt to like reclaim it, so then it would be big resistance for me, because we kind of changed the market structure on the higher time frame, right? So we could be expecting big resistance here. All right, but right now that I would be trading off of this level, not really, but at the end, on the other hand, we'll still have the point of control here, so it is important, right? And when we take the Fibonacci golden pocket, so we kind of have the golden pocket a little bit lower, we have the point of control. Yeah, we can be aware of that, but you know, the reason why I showed you this fixed range is, look, I mean, it's awesome. We have the value area high currently acting as support, right? So if we will see that we will lose this current support into resistance, then we can trade the range, right? So we will trade it down. We'll trade into the next level. We'll see what's gonna happen at the point of control. If we will lose it, then we will be looking at this low, the value area low. If we lose that one, then we will be looking at this liquidity. If we can take it, reclaim it, and then back up again, we'll be looking at the point of control at the value area high. So this level to level, I would trade it this way. It's really the best way to look at it. And yeah, it's the biggest help, I would say, at this moment, to look at this fixed range. And yeah, that would be it, guys. So keep in mind, we can also look at the horizontals if we have some there, but I mean, that's why I told you that you don't really need anything else than the fixed range, because see, we have the monthly horizontal, so it currently acting as support, but it's in confluence with the value area high. All right, so we have it here, and yeah, that's it. We have the weekly horizontal that we front run a little bit, but yeah, I wouldn't be looking at anything else right now, because all you need for now is to trade this range that we have here, thanks to the fixed range, and you can make money. That's all I would say. So that's it, guys. Don't forget to read the disclaimer. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked the video. If you did, please like the video, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.